Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Wayzz the Turtle Kwami from Miraculous Ladybug. So let's get started. To draw this cute Kwami, let's first start by drawing its eyes. So I'm going to come right here and give myself a point, and this is where we're going to go up and draw, basically go up high, kind of like this big teardrop shape. And now round it off, and as we come down here, we're going to flatten it out. And come right back. So let's do the same thing on the other side. I'm just going to drag this point across, say about that much, and we're going to do the same thing. So just go up nice and high, and I'll just drag a point across, make sure I'm about the same height since I'm drawing pretty big. And once again, we're going to round it off and bring it back to this point and connect. There, so we have the two eye openings, the shape, and then we're going to come in right here towards this edge a little bit more, and we're going to draw a circle right here. So I'm not going to shade this in because it's actually green, but so it might look a little weird, but once you color it all in, it'll make sense. So same thing over here. Nice big circle right in this area. There. Okay, so now that I have my eyes in, let's go ahead and give this Kwami a sweet smile. So right in between, say about right here, I'm just going to draw a soft curve and cap it off. Then I'll go above each eye, about right here, and just draw a soft curve. There. Now to frame the face. Let's come back to the center of the eye. Let's say about right, well, maybe a little bit higher, about right here. So the top of this circle, let's come out about right here. I'll give myself a point. Same thing here. Top of the circle, come out and about right here. From there, I'm going to just kind of follow the eye. Curve, curve. So just kind of like the cheek area. And then I'll find my center about right, let's imagine it coming down. So I'll say about right here. I'll just give myself a point. And this just makes it easier for me to see where I'm going since I'm drawing pretty big. And I'm just going to curve, turn my body as needed to make it easier to get down to this point right there. So same thing on this side. Just round off the cheeks. And whichever way is easiest for you. And connect. There. So we just want to make it nice and round at the bottom. Then from there, we're going to kind of straighten this out a little bit and go out. So same thing here, straighten out, go out. And then we're just going to draw this big dome shape on top. So let's go up nice and high. So we'll just kind of imagine nice and high, say my center about right here. So I'll just give myself a point about right here. And this is where I'm going to go. So make adjustments as you need. As you draw this curve, if it's too high, just bring it down. So about right here is my center, and then I'm going to bring it down to connect right back. There. This just makes it a little bit easier to draw this shape. So hopefully that helps. Okay, so then now that we have that, let's draw the little antenna at the top. So I'll just make it about this high. Just bring it down, a slight curve, and then at the top right here, just round it off and connect. From there, let's draw the little body. So right in the center, about right here, just gonna draw a tiny, tiny neck, very short, two little lines, and then we're gonna bring out the shoulders and round it off. So very tiny. Round it off. And then let's kind of find the armpit area. So say about here and here. Just give myself 2 points. And from there, I'm going to draw a soft curve coming down. All right there. And then let's imagine this body. So about right here, and then in the center, just give myself a little line. So just imagine this body is about this long. And then right here will be the line where the legs are going to start. And from here, I'm going to draw 2 curves out. So this is going to come down about right here, and it's going to pop out a little bit for the thigh area. So just notice it's just a tiny little pop just to create this thigh area right there. And let's bring this down a little bit more. And then we're going to get really thin down here. Just continue it down, and then the feet. So we're just going to pop out and connect. So same thing here. It's nice and thin right here. And pop it out. And connect. There. And then the arms are really simple, so we're just going to come back right here. And just bring a curve down to say about right here. And round it off and connect back up. And same thing here. From there, let's go ahead and draw right in this area a little tail. So we're just going to come down, curve, kind of like a V. And now to draw the shell, let's come right back here where the head is, and we're just going to draw this kind of a little ovalish circular shape. So right here, I'm going to come out, and here. And about right here, we're going to come down, and we're just going to pop this out a little bit more here, about in this area, and then taper it in. And we're going to go, let's see here, let's just go tuck this right here and here. So the tail is a little bit longer. So notice the turtle shape is a little bit popped out right here more, and then slants in. So same thing here. So a little bit more about right here. And then pop it in. Just tuck it in right here. Just to give it some shape so it's not just a circle. Sorry for the mess. Okay, there. So then to make it look like a turtle shell, let's come back in here. We're going to draw some lines. So I'm just going to come right here and draw 3 lines. And go up on this one. So let's do the same thing on the other side. And one more right here. There, fix my shape. And now it looks like a turtle shell, right? Hopefully. And once we color the eyes right here, it'll look better. But that is pretty much it for this Turtle Kwami named Wayzz from Miraculous Ladybug. Thanks so much for watching. I really hope I helped you draw this fun and easy today. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.